In Brandon, where temperatures can fluctuate from hot summers to chilly winters, having the right windows in your home is more important than ever. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment that can help homeowners save money on energy bills while also providing a more comfortable living environment. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not only improving your home's appearance, but you're also contributing to a greener future by reducing your carbon footprint. What are energy-efficient windows? Energy-efficient windows are designed to prevent the loss of heating and cooling in your home. They achieve this by using multiple layers of glass, special coatings, and gas fills between the panes to reduce the amount of heat transfer. This results in better insulation, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. These windows can also help reduce the amount of outdoor noise that enters your home, providing a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. The most common types of energy-efficient windows feature low emissivity, low E, coatings, which reflect heat back into your home in winter while blocking excess heat from entering during the summer. Additionally, argon or krypton gas fills are often used between the window panes to provide better insulation than standard air. How energy-efficient windows save you money? One of the primary reasons homeowners in Brandon choose to upgrade to energy-efficient windows is the potential for significant savings on energy costs. In fact, up to 30% of a home's heating and cooling energy can be lost through inefficient windows. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can significantly reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower utility bills year-round. In the summer, energy-efficient windows help to keep the heat outside, reducing the need for air conditioning. In the winter, they help keep the warmth inside, reducing your reliance on heating systems. Over time, these savings can add up, paying for the initial investment in your new windows. Moreover, energy-efficient windows can extend the lifespan of your HVAC system by reducing the amount of work it needs to do. This can lead to fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your heating and cooling equipment, ultimately saving you even more money in the long run. Increased comfort throughout the year. The temperature outside in Brandon can vary dramatically, which can lead to discomfort if your home isn't properly insulated. Energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in maintaining a consistent and comfortable indoor temperature. These windows prevent drafts from entering your home, keeping your living spaces comfortable no matter the season. During the summer, energy-efficient windows help block solar heat gain, so your home stays cooler without the constant need for air conditioning. In the winter, they help prevent the escape of heat, keeping your home warmer without cranking up the thermostat. This constant, comfortable indoor temperature reduces the need for excessive adjustments to your heating or cooling system, allowing you to enjoy your home without worrying about fluctuating temperatures. Environmental benefit. Beyond saving money and increasing comfort, energy-efficient windows also have environmental benefits. By reducing the amount of energy needed to heat and cool your home, you're contributing to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Using less energy helps lower your carbon footprint, making energy-efficient windows a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious. In Brandon, where temperatures can vary greatly throughout the year, making the switch to energy-efficient windows helps you take advantage of the natural surroundings while minimizing your environmental impact. By making your home more energy efficient, you're helping to create a more sustainable future for your community. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows for your home. When selecting energy-efficient windows for your Brandon home, it's essential to consider factors such as climate, window orientation, and your home's specific needs. A professional window contractor can help you assess your home and recommend the best solutions for optimal energy savings. In addition to selecting high-quality windows, it's also important to ensure proper installation. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Working with experienced professionals ensures that your windows are sealed properly and are fully optimized to deliver maximum efficiency. Conclusion: investing in energy-efficient windows for your home in Brandon is a smart decision that brings immediate benefits and long-term savings. With lower energy bills, increased comfort, and environmental advantages, these windows provide a comprehensive solution to many of the challenges homeowners face when it comes to maintaining an energy-efficient home. Upgrade your windows today and start enjoying the benefits of a more comfortable, cost-effective, and sustainable home.